All right, watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Wouter of Spyderco, and he's going to show us this new, interesting, sort of a semi-custom knife, it looks like, and it's very cool. What are we looking at?
Sure. Well, thank you for showing me, letting me show you the new Tropen, the Spyderco Tropen. This is a design collaboration with an Argentinian knife maker, Javier Vogt. This opens in 3 ways. Of course, we have our trademark round hole. But there's also the Emerson Wave opener, which works on your pocket. Open it, hooks on the pocket, just opens it. And then there's a 3rd way to open this knife, and that is using this flipper.
Do that one more time, flipper.
Compression lock makes it so much easier.
And it's got a special locking system.
It does, and it features a compression lock where this liner comes in, goes underneath this stop pin, and then it gets compressed between this part of the tang and underneath the stop pin. So you get like this, it gets compressed like this as the liner. The handle's full G10 rounded 3D machine, of course clip carry, or else it's not a proper Spyderco, right? And it features S30V steel. It's really nice, general use.
Blade length?
Blade length is about 4 inches.
And
full flat grind.
Oh, flat, right, it's a flat grind.
Full flat grind.
And MSRP is roughly?
Roughly, I forgot, I just looked it up.
That's all right.
I thought it was two something, right? 239, I want to say.
Whatever, they can look that up.
Sorry about that.
So this is the Tropen.
That's the Tropen, correct.
Very cool, thank you. Really appreciate it, Wouter. Spyderco, SHOT Show 2019, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.